Got big garden jobs or heavy branches piling up? Meet the Rotatech 15 horsepower wood chipper, built for serious chipping power. Driven by a 15 horsepower petrol engine, this heavy-duty chipper chews through branches up to 120 millimeters in diameter and processes around 4 to 6 cubic meters of material every hour. Perfect for large gardens, estates, and professional landscapers. Twin reversible blades deliver sharp, efficient cutting and long-lasting performance, so you spend more time getting the job done and less time on maintenance. With a durable, robust build and a working weight of over 200 kilos, it stays stable and secure while you work. If you're dealing with large volumes of wood and garden waste, the Rotatech 15 horsepower wood chipper is built to keep up. Order now at rotatechproducts.com for free, fast UK delivery.